Hey guys, today is the first day of spring and our classroom looks something like this. Pictures that we did, that was pretty cool, but it's still bare. Like there are colors everywhere, you know, the lockers and the books. We need to zhuzh it up. I've decided today, I've looked up a project online and I've decided that we're gonna execute this today. Fingers crossed, but we'll see how that goes.
지금이 봄이잖아.
Right, Hannah? Oh, you see? Give me 5. Yes! Show teacher your flower. Good job, Royce.
3, 2, 1,
That's really cute. Nice. Let me see, Lily. Amy, why do you look so serious? Amy, smile. Ah, nice. Steven. Smile.
I'm finished.
Yes. Good job.
Whenever you are sad and blue, and you're feeling all alone and left behind, just take a look inside you and you'll find.
I am super excited about the finished product. I'm glad that we did this, and see you guys tomorrow.